Payments. Invoices. Invoices are the main form of request for payment in trading. They give information about what has been bought and sold, as well as details about the sale. Some phrases to use when sending an invoice include, "Please find enclosed our invoice," "The enclosed invoice," "Our invoice is enclosed with this email." Methods of payment. Here are some common types of payment used in business transactions. Bank transfer. Bank moves money from one account to another following an order. Bill of exchange. Supplier sends bill to customer stating when and how much the customer needs to pay. Check. Takes money out of an account the customer currently has. Debit or credit card. Can be used to make payments on the phone or internet. Cash on delivery. Cash is paid directly when the goods are delivered. Notification of payment. To notify your supplier that you've sent payment, you can use these phrases. "We have sent a check in payment." "We have the pleasure of enclosing our check or bill of exchange," etc. "I have instructed my bank today to transfer the payment." Acknowledgement of payment. When acknowledging that you've received payment from a customer, here are some phrases to use. "Thank you for your draft or transfer" in payment of invoice. "We received notification from our bank of your payment of invoice." "Thank you for paying promptly, and we hope to hear from you again soon."